Welcome back to Gear Storm. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated Grand Tours of the decade, the 2026 Ferrari Roma. This machine is a bold blend of timeless elegance and cutting-edge performance, and we've spent time with it to give you the most in-depth look yet. So buckle up, because the Roma isn't just about looks, it's a statement of Ferrari's refined power. Let's start at the front. The first thing you'll notice is how Ferrari continues to evolve its design language. The 2026 Roma is sleeker, sharper, and slightly more aggressive than its predecessor. The new front fascia features a restyled grille that appears to float within the bodywork, a subtle nod to Ferrari's classic Grand Tours of the 60s but reimagined for a modern world. The Matrix LED headlights have been narrowed further, giving the Roma a more focused, predatory stare. There's a fresh, aerodynamically sculpted hood, with two functional vents that feed cool air to the twin-turbo V8 beneath. But more on that in a moment. Down low, a revised carbon fiber splitter integrates cleanly with the redesigned air intakes, improving both airflow and visual drama. Every curve, every line on the front is not just aesthetic, it's engineered to serve a purpose. Whether you're standing still or carving through corners, the Roma's presence is magnetic. Moving along the side, the silhouette is pure Ferrari. Long hood, short rear overhang, and a fluid roofline that tapers into the muscular rear haunches. The flush-mounted door handles now retract electronically, preserving the car's sleek profile. New optional forged wheels, up to 21 inches. Showcase improved lightweight alloys and are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 5S rubber, providing both grip and poise. The ride height remains low and poised, and Ferrari has reworked the suspension geometry slightly to improve daily drivability without compromising sharpness on twisty roads. Inside, the Roma's cabin is where the Italian craftsmanship meets future-forward innovation. Ferrari calls it a 2+ layout, and while the rear seats are still tight for adults, they're usable for short hops or extra storage. But the focus is clearly on the driver and passenger. The dual cockpit layout returns with sweeping leather and Alcantara surfaces wrapping around the entire cabin. A new 15.6-inch curved digital instrument cluster sits in front of the driver, fully customizable and razor-sharp in clarity. The central touchscreen, now 11.4 inches, offers haptic feedback and better responsiveness than the previous version. What's really interesting is Ferrari's move toward a more intuitive user interface. The Roma now features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control activated by a simple Scegliere Ferrari command, and over-the-air updates to refine software over time. The tactile metal Manettino dial remains on the steering wheel, allowing you to quickly switch between wet, comfort, sport, race, and ESC off modes. It's not just high-tech, it's tactile, immersive, and addictive. The rear of the 2026 Roma has also been refined. The quad-tail light setup is now slimmer and more integrated into the rear fascia. The electronically deployable rear spoiler has been reshaped for more stability at high speeds, and the rear diffuser has been reworked for better aero efficiency, flanked by quad exhaust pipes that hint at the symphony beneath the hood. And what a symphony it is! The Roma is powered by a retuned version of Ferrari's award-winning 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 in this 2026 iteration. It now produces 625 horsepower and 621 pounds-ft of torque, slightly up from the previous model. Mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the shifts are lightning quick whether you're cruising in auto or banging through gears in manual mode. Ferrari claims 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed north of 200 miles per hour, but more than raw numbers, it's how this car delivers power: linear, smooth, and unrelenting. The exhaust system has been revised for 2026 as well. There are now electronically controlled bypass valves that keep things relatively civilized in comfort mode, but open up completely in race mode, letting that V8 roar with a sharper, more aggressive tone. It's pure mechanical music, and it never gets old. Handling-wise, Ferrari continues to nail the GT sports car balance. The Roma feels agile yet composed, a proper long-distance cruiser that comes alive when you push it. New adaptive dampers paired with improved torque vectoring make it even more confident in the corners. Whether you're on a back road or the Autobahn, the Roma delivers grace and firepower in equal measure. As for pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Roma starts at around $285,000 US, but like all Ferraris, that's just the beginning. Options like carbon fiber trim, custom leather stitching, upgraded wheels, and special paints can quickly push that number well north of $350,000. But for those who want to personalize their Roma through Ferrari's tailor-made program, the sky is truly the limit. You're not just buying a car, you're investing in an experience, a legacy. So, who is the Roma really for? It's for those who want the essence of a Ferrari, the sound, the style, the speed, wrapped in a design that's elegant rather than aggressive. It's for those who want to take the scenic route in comfort and still dominate the open road when the moment comes. The Roma doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Roma. If you enjoyed this review and want more cinematic breakdowns of the world's finest machines, hit that like button, subscribe to Gearstorm, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next one. Stay fast. Stay sharp.